What's up, YouTube? Today I want to share with you a game-changing secret tool that can save you days or even weeks to set up safe domain forwarding for cold email outreach at scale. If you're managing hundreds or thousands of domains, this video is for you. It's a tool that will make forwarding domains at scale a breeze, and it's completely free. Stick around and I'll show you exactly how it works. If you're new here, welcome. I'm Yaroslav and I've been helping people like you simplify tech workflows with smart automation. In previous videos, I shared step-by-step tutorials on setting up proper domain forwarding for cold email outreach. Those are great if you've got just a handful of domains, 5, 10, maybe 20, but if you've got hundreds or even thousands, that's where things get tricky. And that's why I created this tool to make your life easier and save you from endless manual setup. Here is the deal. I've built a make.com automation that sets up everything for you in Cloudflare. It handles A records, enables proxies, creates redirect rules, and even stops search engine bots from crawling your domains. And the best part? You can download the blueprint for free. The link is right there in the description below. And now, without any further ado, I'm gonna show you how it works and how you can use it. Okay, let me walk you through this step by step. Don't worry, it's simpler than it sounds. Here is what you will do. Download the free blueprint from the link in the description. Import the blueprint into your make.com account. Add your domains to Cloudflare if they aren't already there. Create an API token in Cloudflare. Don't worry, I'll show you how. Set up connections in make.com. Prepare a Google Spreadsheet with a domain list. Hit run and see the magic. Everything gets configured automatically. Seriously, it's that easy. No more tedious manual setups. Just sit back and let the automation do the work for you. After you import the blueprint into your make.com account, you'll see something like this. This scenario creates a custom worker. Then it processes your Google Spreadsheet. It creates all necessary DNS records, redirect rules, worker routes, and enables bot fight mode. To use it, first you need to prepare a Google Spreadsheet like this. It's very simple, just 2 columns, domain and redirect to. In the left column, you would need to put all the secondary domains on Cloudflare, and in the redirect to column, you would need to put your primary domain that you want secondary domains to be redirected to. So, for instance, if I have cubemail.homes and cubetech.homes, and I want them to redirect to my main domain, which is cubehomes, I'll do it like this. That's it. So fill in your domains and then go to your make.com scenario. Here you would need to set up a few variables and a few connections. First, you would need to set your account ID. It's a Cloudflare account ID. You can get it from the URL here. Just copy it and paste. I already have it there. Click OK. Then you would need to open every single Cloudflare module, and you would need to add a connection to your Cloudflare. I already have a connection here, but you would need to click Add, set the connection name, and then authentication method should be API token, and then you would need to create a new API token in Cloudflare. And to do that, you go to Cloudflare, My Profile, API tokens, and then create token, and then create custom token. Give it a name, something like make.com automations, and then you would need to set up some permissions. I'm not gonna show you how to add all of them. I will just show you how I set up my API token. You can pause this video and create a custom token with all of these permissions. When you finish, copy your token and paste it here. Click Save. Make sure that every Cloudflare module uses the same Cloudflare connection. After that, you're ready to go. Just click Save and click Run once. And that's it. You can put as many domains as you want. You can run it multiple times. It will just recreate all the records and page rules if necessary. But take into account if you have thousands of domains, it will eat some of make.com credits. So there you have it. A simple way to save many hours, days, or even weeks, depending on the number of the domains you have, and improve your cold email deliverability. And hey, before you go, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and hit that bell icon for more awesome content. See you in the next one. Ciao.